Good morning, everybody. Today is January 7th, 2020, and I would like to talk to you about some global situation on the stock market and where you should invest right now. At this time, in this video, I have 3 recommendations for you instead of 1, as I usually do. And before I jump to them, I'm just gonna tell you what I have observed in the stock market in the last few days and where we're heading. After the strike on Iranian general, where he was killed with another top commander, the stock market got spooked by thinking that suddenly we will be on the brink of World War III. Iran is gonna start a war with the United States, and we will be there for years, and it's going to be, a very long journey, which will obviously tank the stock market. However, if you analyze the strike itself and the way how it was done, you could quickly come to the conclusion that the United States has capabilities that would allow it to take out the top military commanders and top government officials, including the supreme leader of Iran and the president, vice president, the top generals, with very precise drone strikes where the missiles are going to be sent to the exact locations, and no military would be able to protect them. United States has eyes and ears on the ground in Iran. There's a lot of people over there that don't like the regime and would be able to deliver the information about precise location of the top people in Iran. And as soon as these locations are acquired, the United States would be able to launch drones with missiles that will take them out basically all at once, even though they could be spread across the country, but they all would be eliminated in the first hours of the military campaign. In fact, it's not going to be even like a regular military campaign. I don't think the United States would even attack the large military installations, rocket launchers, and tanks and other military units. Instead, the United States will just hit the top people and kind of cut off the head of the snake and make it go into chaos, especially as we know that a lot of ruling that's being done in Iran is being done by fear, where people are basically fear the government, and this is how they obey to them. But if the government is gone, all the top officials are killed within hours of the initial military strike, then there's no fear and the country will quickly surrender. So the top officials over there and top commanders, they realize that, and now they fear for their life, and they could say anything they want, but they know that if anything happens, they will see death within hours. So in light of this thing, I don't think that Iran is going to do anything, because now they are scared. The people who are supposed to give the orders are scared. And because of that, it's a great time to buy the 3 major US stock indexes via ETFs. And the first one is Dow Jones. So buy ETF DIA at $285 a share that matches Dow Jones index very precisely. The second one is buy NASDAQ, which is NASDAQ-100, and it's the ETF that should buy is QQQ, at $215 a share. And the third one is S&P 500, and you should buy SPY ETF, SPY, kind of sounds appropriate for this whole military thing, which trades at $323 a share. So if you buy all three of those indexes, they are rated as a buy, and I think it would be a great investment for this year. Doesn't matter if anything is going to happen, and if something actually does happen, the United States would be able to prove their military capabilities by surgically removing all the top commanders. They will spike like never before. If you want to see other video recommendations for other stocks, please visit our YouTube channel at the website gotyoutube.com, where you will see a lot of other videos. And last but not least, you could visit our Facebook page by going to the website facebook3.com, and you would be able to see other posts, recommendations, videos, and talk to the users of our apps to see what you should buy on the stock market. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.